Hi there, my name's Fiona and I'm here with WellBetter and I'm tasting out Mindful Chef's recipes that they deliver to your door, all fresh and everything that you need. So yesterday I did my first recipe, which was sesame pork with veggie noodles and a peanut sauce, and it was delicious, very healthy, and you could tell it was healthy, but it didn't compromise on the taste. So I'm really looking forward to today's. Today I am making roast pesto salmon with Mediterranean style lentils. So let's get cooking. Okay, so I have my recipe and I have recipe number 16 bag and my salmon. Let's have a wee looky. Wee stock cube. Oh, this is adorable. Some Italian herbs. Is that not the cutest little thing? Preheat the oven to 200 degrees and boil the kettle. Then start cutting up the courgette. Okay, I can do that. So if you missed recipe 1 of this vlog series, basically I am trying out a Mindful Chef box and I've ordered 3 recipes. And Mindful Chef, if you don't know what the company is, it's a mail order meal delivery service. So you pick your recipes online, they send you a box that's fully insulated, all your recipes, all the fresh food, from your meat to your veg to your spices to your lentils, everything that you could want to make this meal. So what I so far love about Mindful Chef is their ethos. So basically they're healthy recipes, high veg, high protein, if you're looking for a more balanced lifestyle. Sourced locally, everything is grass fed and free range. And also they are big on the environment as well. So things like coming in paper bags, coming in a cardboard box. They ask for the insulation back, so the insulation comes in kind of a blanket with cool packs in them, and they ask you to return them so they can keep reusing them for different recipes, which I love. Save the turtles. I love vegetables, which I've been slagged off a lot for. I get slagged off for taking Tupperware into work because it's filled with vegetables. However, it is definitely a balance, and a balance is how you get good mental health. Now, if you eat healthy, therefore you're more focused, your skin's better, you've got more energy, and it just creates a better sort of mental attitude. Obviously, there's a lot that goes into good mental well-being, but your diet is a huge part of that. Now I need to finely dice the large tomatoes. Oh, finely dice, not roughly chop. This is so wrong, isn't it? Ah, this is so wrong. Oh no, I'm cutting it like an onion. What was I thinking? Fresh salmon. So I eat quite a lot of fish, and I bought some tweezers especially for pulling out fish bones, so don't judge me. These weren't doing my eyebrows 10 minutes ago before I came on. These are my fish bone plucking tweezers. Pesto, pesto. Sprinkle, sprinkle. So cooking the courgettes and the red peppers in a frying pan. Okay, next step is to drain and rinse the lentils. I'm going to do that now. I've got my lentils here. You just pretty much add everything to this pan with 50 ml of water, half of the stock cube, and then cook it until it's all soft and nice. I don't know how much 50 ml is. Crumble half of the stock cube over. Oh, it's burned my hand. Nope. So it says simmer for 5 minutes and keep stirring it until the sauce is thickened, and then season it with black pepper. Okay. Okay, so how amazing does this look? And it smells incredible. Okay, so the last thing we need to do, the salmon's ready. My Alexa just went off, and it's now time to dish it up. This one has been even easier than yesterday's, if that was even possible. Ah. So close to getting it perfect. So so excited for my dinner tonight. That one's yours because it's a bigger one. Yes. You're a grown boy. Right, ready for a taste test? Look at all the layers.
Delicious. Real good.
The best one or yesterday's?
I think this one, yeah.
You're a sucker for pesto. So that was recipe number 2, the salmon dish. It was very tasty, very healthy and very easy to make. My one tomorrow is a veggie recipe. So with WellBetter and Mindful Chef, I am looking forward to my meal tomorrow.